Hi, I'm Dawn. I'm the Reclusive Crafter. Welcome to my channel. For today's session, I just wanted to show you a book I've come across. In crafting, certainly with paper crafting, we're always looking for different ideas and things that we can use within our journals and our art, etc. And sometimes it's difficult to come up with different ideas, and I thought this was lovely. I was actually bought this at Christmas, and I love these. These are the ones that if you look at them properly, you get the 3D effect on them. But if you actually look through, the designs on these pages absolutely lend themselves beautifully to being able to cut them up. I mean, I would certainly photocopy them first, but cutting them up and using them in journals as backgrounds, as tags, and all sorts of things that you can do with them. And if you just go through the book, there's some absolutely stunning designs in here that would literally lend itself to any type of project that you're doing. I mean, there's hummingbirds there with bees in, and the garden. And then if we go over the page, butterflies, absolutely lovely. You could even cut these out as individual pieces. There's little tulips there, which would be lovely. I think they're tulips. They might even be roses. No, they're tulips. But that would be lovely for sort of a springtime journal. And then you've got the abstracts here as well, which lend themselves beautifully to backgrounds and things that you're doing within your journals. And the colours, there's so many different colours and variety in them, that you could literally use these for absolutely anything. So I guess the message of today is, look at what you've got, look at the books that are available to you, look at your surroundings, even go through your photos. Sometimes we throw photos away because either they're blurred or, you know, they're not very good. That's for those of you that still print your photos off. But sometimes even in the blur, you can pick out things that would work in a background environment within your journals. So yeah, never dismiss anything, because everything can be used in some format or another. And this little book is just one of those ideas that I thought I would share with you that you can make use of. So yeah, absolutely beautiful designs in here. The whole thing is just beautiful. These books they're called Magic Eye. I believe you should be able to get them off of Amazon. But yeah, if you've not come across them, have a look for them. This isn't a promotion at all. I'm not being paid. This is just something that I had in my stash, and I was looking through, and I just thought they would make beautiful backgrounds. So yeah, just a little idea there. Okay, hope you found that useful. Thank you for joining me today. Just a little quick jump on, and I'll see you all again soon.